Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I will talk about documents required for student visa for Australia. As per the tool available on DIBP's website, students can ascertain the documents which would be required. We are providing you with all the possible documents which might be required under streamlines and regular evidentiary documents. Remember, since the application is only online, students must ensure that they have scanned copies of all the documents listed ready before they start their online application. Also, please remember that the list of regular evidentiary documents is in addition to the documents required for the SSPF. Valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your period of stay in Australia. And after that, non immigrant visa application, and then application fee, payment receipt, and then confirmation of enrollment means COE. To obtain a visa to study in Australia, you must be fully enrolled in an Australian institution and receive a confirmation of enrollment means COE. These forms are issued by the Australian institution you will be attending. The forms are usually issued after the tuition fees have been received. If I talk about acceptance letter from your host university, this will include the proposed study plan, overseas health insurance receipt OSHC, and recent digital photographs. Then transcripts, diplomas, degrees, or certificates from the schools you attended. And then English language test scores and statement of purpose SOP and evidence of financial capacity. So if you have any query regarding this video, you can share your query in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. You can also share your profile on our WhatsApp number 99146 15605. I will do my best to tell you what is better for you, which university is better for you, which course is better for you, which college is better for you, and which country is better for you. And for this guidance, we don't take any kind of charge. It's totally free of cost for you. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy.